Bushfires in Jamaica, geologic contributors. This is Insight for Farmers. Soils and Farming, Part 4. So, two geologic contributors for bushfires. One could be related to groundwater in terms of where the groundwater is relative to the farm and what is the nature of groundwater access. If it's a case that we're dealing with drought, how far is that source of groundwater to be able to provide moisture for the farm? In this context, especially in relation to Jamaica being predominated by carbonates such as white limestone group, then majority of our farming lands is more than likely going to be such where it will be over carbonate bedrock, especially for those carbonates that have what we call cavernous structure. What it is that we're more likely to experience is basically water flowing underground. What this then indicates is that the soil moisture retention capacity is not that great, specifically over this kind of geology. So you are a farmer, be cognizant of the nature of the bedrock. If it is limestone, if it's a case where there are structures where it's cavernous, then you should ensure that you have the alternative means of providing moisture for your farm, especially in times of dry weather. Another contributor for bushfires geologically is the relation of mafic rocks, or those rocks that are black. The reality is that these rocks absorb heat and retain heat much longer than, let's just say, the white rocks in the form of carbonates. So those rocks that have this kind of a general structure in its color and in its nature, you'll have to anticipate that in times of dry weather, these are the areas that will trigger bushfires more readily than those that have white color. If you know a farmer who can benefit from this content or any other stakeholder within this sector, then please do not hesitate to share this with them.